Hello, everybody. I'm here in the shop. I wanted to take a few minutes to show you some of the progress that Aaron has made on the Mustang and the Miata since we've been gone. He's been able to push the projects a little bit forward. We got the Miata back together, brakes and everything back on. He built an intake. Some of you might have seen that on his social media, and then also did some work on the Mustang. So on the Mustang, we had a couple things still hanging out there when we finished classes and went to the online format. One of those was to adapt our Team Z cross member to fit this SN95 chassis. So we had bought this for our Fox body platform and then switched it. And so we had to extend some of the brackets back here. Aaron was able to get that done for us. The other challenge that we had was to modify the control arms. So he's got those cut down, and so both control arms are fitted on. So some good progress. We're getting closer to at least being able to get this back to where it rolls around. Spend some time on the wiring, get the transmission back in, do some brake lines, and hopefully get it to a point where we can run it this summer, depending on what happens with our classes. On the Miata, when we left, we had all the brake rotors and everything off. So we got those finished up. Everything is painted, put back together. The other project we were working on, the exhaust, I think some of us saw that completed. So we were able to finish up getting our flex joint in on the exhaust, added a V-band. The flange that was there previously was leaking pretty bad. The other part that needed finished up on the Miata was getting the exhaust manifold back on with the EGR tube and everything hooked up. And we had all that apart to do the work down below. And the other thing that we've added, Aaron put together some of the piping that we had purchased, students spec'd out which pipes to buy and what parts to purchase. And so he put together this intake that's made out of stainless. We got a little bit of work to finish up this coupler over here and do something with the PCV vent that's off the valve cover here. But otherwise, looks great. And so we're excited to get this back together and hopefully have a race season this year so that all you students can drive it. So thanks for taking a minute to get an update about what's going on. Miss everybody. Hopefully we'll see you soon.